Let us now see how to work with the destroy data node. Destroy data node is a node that deletes a single instance in the specified model, matching the instance specified in the msg.payload. Let us see how this works. Before we implement this destroy data node, let us take a look at the use case. So we have a model called account, and this has got some instances. So for example, we have a instance here, and the instance with this ID is what we would like to delete. So let us set up the node RED for this. So let's get started with a flow for this. So let's call this flow as destroy data flow, and so let's drag this destroy data and let's configure this. So this is a simple configuration. The model name is what we need to be specifying here, and we are done with this. And let's also set up a HTTP endpoint for this, which is an input node, and let us link this, and let us call this endpoint as /account/delete, and also the method has to be delete for this. So the idea is when somebody invokes with a payload of a valid ID for localhost :3001/red API/account/delete, that instance should get deleted. So we are done with this configuration, and also let us put a HTTP response and then link these three nodes properly. So that's all we need to do. So let's deploy this, and observe that we have a account instance with this particular ID here. I'm just going to copy this ID so that it is used in the payload. So we are back in the Postman, and the request that we should be sending is a delete request, and the URL for this would be localhost :3001/red API/account/delete. So this is the URL, and we need to pass a ID for this. So therefore let's pass through this body. So again, I choose raw here and then choose JSON, and this is where I will have the ID property to be equivalent to the property that we have value that we have copied earlier. So I do that here, configuration. Now this request is ready to go. So I send it, and you could observe that the count is 1 here, which means that this operation is successful. So also let us verify the deletion by doing a get. So you could see that the earlier record is no more existing. That means that the delete operation is successful with this destroy node implementation.